The number one person viewing my profile is a man I have spoken to exactly once, for maybe 2 minutes, 8 years ago. I gave him my umbrella, and I never even learned his name. It was pouring that night. I was a broke student running for the last bus, and I saw him under a streetlight. A grown man in a soaked suit, standing perfectly still in the rain, staring at the road like he had already given up. I don't know why I stopped. I put my umbrella in his hand, gave him the last few dollars in my pocket for a cab, and I said, "Whatever this is, please just get through tonight." Then I ran for my bus. That was the whole thing. I honestly forgot it ever happened. Years afterward, I tried one of those tools that show who actually views your profile. Not who likes, not who comments, who quietly watches. Sitting right at the top was an account with no photo and no name I knew. 214 views in 3 months. And almost every single one landed around 7:40 at night. So I mapped the times. They weren't random at all. They clustered at the exact hour I met him. And then I saw the other thing. The visits spiked on rainy nights. Every heavy storm, 5, 6 views in a row. I checked it against the weather and it matched perfectly. Someone was thinking of me every time it rained. I found him through a mutual friend, and he finally told me the truth. That night in the rain, he had lost everything, his company and his marriage, in 1 week. He had walked out to that road to stop fighting. A stranger's umbrella was the only reason he went home instead. He rebuilt his entire life after that. He said he spent years trying to find the girl with the umbrella, just to say thank you. But how do you tell someone they are the reason you are still alive? So he never messaged. He just watched to make sure I was okay. Here's the part that stays with me. One silent account was almost half of my night views. Half. A person I met for 2 minutes, who never liked a post, never sent a word, had been quietly keeping watch over me for 8 years. Honestly, you never know who is behind the silent views. Some of them are strangers you helped on the worst night of their life, still checking that you turned out fine. I only found out because I finally looked. If someone watches you every night without a word, you deserve to know who it is. The link is in the description. It might be someone you saved and forgot.